Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, March 21. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I'm good, thank you, and you?
I am very tired. I did not sleep well last night.
Why not? Did you work late?
No, my neighbor has a new dog. It barks all night.
Oh, that is terrible. You need to talk to your neighbor.
I know. I need 2 cups of coffee today.
Are you very busy this morning?
Yes, I have 3 big meetings. Sales are very slow right now.
I understand. I have a big project to finish before 12.
The coffee machine is very slow today.
Yes, it is. We need a new machine.
I agree. This machine is from 2015.
It makes a lot of noise, too.
Yes, and the coffee is not very hot.
We can ask the boss for a new machine.
I will send him an email later.
Good idea. Did you read the news this morning?
Yes, I did. I read the Wall Street Journal.
Oh, really? What is the big news today?
The European Union wants a 4-day work week.
A 4-day work week? That is very interesting.
Yes, for all public workers. They want to save energy.
That is a big change for the economy.
I know. I want a 4-day work week too.
But you are a sales representative? You need to call clients every day?
True, but I can sell more in 4 days.
Do you think it is a good idea?
Yes, people are happy with 3 days to rest.
But public offices are closed for 3 days. That is bad for citizens.
Maybe, but they save a lot of money on electricity.
Yes, energy is very expensive in 2026.
Exactly. The article says they can save 20% on energy.
20% is a lot of money.
Yes. Do you think we can do that here?
In our company? No, I do not think so.
Why not? We can work 10 hours a day for 4 days.
Projects need constant attention. I need 5 days to manage my team.
You work too much, Alex. You need to relax.
I like my job. I like to organize things.
I will ask the boss for a 4-day week.
He will say no. He likes to see us in the office.
You're right. He loves office meetings.
We will see. Did you read the New York Times?
No, I did not. What does it say?
There is a new artificial intelligence app. It is called Mind Reader 2.
Mind Reader 2? What does it do?
It scans your face during job interviews
Scans your face, why?
to see if you are lying to the company.
Wow, that is crazy.
Yes, many companies use it now to hire people.
I do not like that. It is very invasive.
I agree. It is a big problem for privacy.
Imagine a machine looking at your face. It makes you nervous.
Yes, and nervous people look like liars.
Exactly. I smile a lot when I am nervous.
The app thinks a nervous smile is a lie?
That is terrible for good workers.
Yes. Technology is moving very fast in 2026.
Too fast. I prefer a normal conversation.
Me too. Human connection is very important.
How many companies use this app?
The article says 500 big companies use it right now.
500? That is a lot of companies.
Yes. They want to save time in interviews.
But they lose good people.
I think so too. Artificial intelligence cannot understand human emotions perfectly.
It measures your eye movements. That is very strange.
Yes, if you look down, you lose points.
I always look down when I think,
Then the robot will not hire you, David.
I am happy I have a job right now.
Yes, looking for a job is very difficult today.
I will never do an interview with a robot.
Never say never. It is the future of work.
Do you think our company will use this app?
Maybe in 5 years. Not right now.
Good. I prefer human resources managers.
Yes, they are more understanding.
Well, I prefer my old coffee machine. It does not look at my face.
That is true. It only makes bad coffee?
Exactly. Did you see the news in USA today?
No. I only read the technology news today.
There is a famous restaurant in New York.
Okay, what is special about this restaurant?
They charge you $50 extra if you use your phone.
$50? Just to look at your phone?
Yes, during dinner. You cannot use it at all.
That is a lot of money.
I know. They want people to talk to each other.
I like the idea. People look at their phones too much.
But $50 is very expensive for a rule.
Yes, it is a big penalty.
What if I have an emergency?
You can go outside to use the phone.
I guess that is okay. But I need my phone for work.
You do not work during dinner, David?
Sometimes clients call me at 8 or 9.
You need to set boundaries. Dinner is for eating.
True, but I love taking photos of my food.
You cannot do that there. No photos allowed.
That is sad. I have 2,000 followers online.
They can wait. Food is better when it is hot.
I think the restaurant is very smart.
Why do you say that?
It is great marketing. Everyone is talking about them.
That is true. It is very controversial.
The chef says phones ruin the dining experience.
I agree with the chef. We need to disconnect.
I want to go there, just to see it.
But you need to pay $50 extra.
No, I will leave my phone in the car.
Good idea. We can go together next month.
Perfect. We can talk about work.
No work talk at dinner, only fun topics.
Okay, deal. We can talk about movies.
I like that. I want to see the new action movie.
Me too. We can go to the cinema after dinner.
Sounds like a great plan.
My coffee is finally ready.
Mine too. It took 5 minutes to make 2 cups.
I will send the email to the boss now.
Good. Well, I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
And I need to call 15 clients before lunch.
Good luck with your sales today.
Thank you, Alex. Good luck with your project.
Are you going to the cafeteria for lunch?
Yes, at 1. Do you want to join me?
Yes, I will see you there.
Bring your phone. I will not charge you $50.
That is very funny, David. See you later. Have a good day.
See you later, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.